Hey, Josh Moroles here. So today I want to talk about brand equity on social media, what it is and how you can use it to stay in front of the right people and bring them along for the journey and keep them interested. Let's go. A lot of people don't really understand the power of social media and using it in the long term. Now, I always talk about long term and I feel like it's a cop-out because month after month after month, you kind of have to keep investing money and your time in social media. But what it does is it builds brand equity. And what brand equity is I'm gonna explain it here with these three little piggy banks. So this video, for example, is one little piece of content that I push out to build brand equity. Pretend that each one of these piggy banks is one of my audience members, and this is Jack, Jill, and Susie, right? So every time I push out content, I get to put a little piece of me in each one of them. That way, they take it with them, they put it in their bank, and they remember what I was talking about, right? So for example, it's marketing and advertising. So the next time I talk about advertising and marketing with another video or a piece of content, I get to add another little coin in each little bank in their memory. So it just keeps on adding up. And then eventually they just keep on going. And with the amount of content that I put out, I'm just gonna keep filling up their little banks. That way they can remember that I'm an advertiser and marketer, and one day when they need me, they're gonna remember that this is the stuff that I always talk about, and every time that I get to put a little piece of my brand equity into their account, my chances go up of them using my products or services in the future. That's powerful stuff. That's brand equity, and this is how you can use it when you're pushing out your educational, informational, or entertainment content. And of course, always remember to add that emotional touch to it.